back to Ignite, Microsoft Ignite 2024. And with me, I have Chris Quinn from Fujitsu. How you doing, Chris?
Hey, Pierre, good to see you.
How is your experience with Ignite so far?
Yeah, Ignite's been fantastic. Yeah, we're really seeing a lot of interesting vendors here, and all the collaboration that's going on has been wonderful. And Fujitsu is really excited to be a part of Microsoft's journey with Ignite. Absolutely.
Perfect. Any specific sessions that people should look at, like you've identified as like, this is my go-to, this is what I can't miss?
Yeah, well, certainly AI, of course, is the forefront of everything that everybody wants to get involved in these days, particularly Fujitsu as well. So a lot of exciting things going on there. And Ignite does not disappoint in all the AI and all the great innovation that we're seeing come out of that. Security is also extremely important to us. I'm here, my team's here because of our session we have in Linux.
Okay.
So we're a big Linux shop and looking forward to participating with Microsoft to share how we've been able to capitalize on all of Azure's powerful tools and resources that support our Linux environment.
Yeah. So, because Microsoft loves Linux and Windows. So in terms of your involvement with Microsoft Ignite and Microsoft, what are the solutions that you guys are kind of focusing on?
Yeah, so of course we are a longtime Microsoft strategic partner.
Yep.
And so we utilize all the tools and resources that we can across our global enterprise to support our customers and our own employees as well. We're obviously looking very closely now at Azure and expanding our workloads in all supported OS systems in Azure, and that's a very exciting journey for us. And as I mentioned before, we're seeing AI now as kind of the next big thing to focus on. There's a lot of energy around that. And I think the powerful systems that AI will bring us are certainly, especially with Copilot and Azure, is unparalleled. And so we're really excited to be a part of that journey with Microsoft.
So Chris, what challenges has Fujitsu encountered with your migration or your adoption of the cloud?
Yeah, I think that being able to remove manual processes from your overall operation is really critical.
Yep.
Obviously, a lot of that exists in an on-premise environment, older environments. And going to the cloud requires that you essentially remove all those, modernize your systems, and prepare yourself for automation.
Okay.
So adopting automation as quickly as possible was key for us to ensure that we can deploy workloads quickly and support our customers in the cloud as fast as possible.
Yeah. So does that lead in, because the Ignite this year has had a big focus on security?
Yeah.
So how do you integrate that doing this but securely?
Yes, yep. So DevOps has been critical in ensuring that we have the proper security settings in our workloads as they are deployed into the cloud right at the very beginning. So we're obviously very strict on how we manage our security.
Starting secure is very important so
Absolutely.
that you don't have to go back and fix it.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. So make sure we have no stone unturned. We are ensuring that we have our automated systems, which include security, right from the get-go as our workloads are deployed.
Okay. And if you're looking at your experience and your journey, or Fujitsu's journey, what advice and guidance would you give other companies that are just at the beginning of that journey?
Yeah, I would say the critical thing is to start small. So obviously the cloud is big. There's a lot of tools and systems you can take advantage of.
Mm-hmm.
What Azure provides, for Microsoft is wonderful. But I think in order to ensure that application owners aren't overwhelmed with the various ways that their applications can change in the cloud, it's important to start small to show that kind of incremental success and kind of build up from there, which is exactly what we're doing.
Baby steps, one problem at a time.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, and from there, then you can increase scale, increase the size of the systems, the amount of users that you're deploying, and that's been a very successful approach for us. And I think that would apply to anybody else too.
Well, that's fantastic. Or they could just call Fujitsu.
Or call Microsoft. Absolutely.
All right.
Absolutely.
Well, Chris, thank you very much. I hope you have a wonderful second half of Ignite.
Thank you, Pierre.
Yeah. And we'll see you around the hub.